Okay, this is Xander. He's frying the chicken breast. He's doing it with an adult supervision because the oil is really, really hot.
And he can
What are you doing, Xander?
Frying this chicken breast.
Frying the chicken breast.
Look at that.
And this is Louis.
And like our subscribe things too, please. Like my brother
Xander.
Xander Pineda, and subscribe me, Louis Pineda.
Mm-hmm.
Not even close. It's like Louis and
What is the name on your YouTube? What's your YouTube name?
Louis Austin Santa Pineda Minecraft.
Say the whole name, baby.
I said, there's one more called Debbie.
Subscribe on your. Say your whole name. Your whole YouTube name, baby.
All I have is 2 videos.
It's Louis Pineda Minecraft.
Minecraft Santa Pineda.
Okay, and what's your YouTube's Xander?
My YouTube channel name is Santa Pineda.
Okay, and mine's is Silver.
And mine is really hard to look because first this is the demo. Wait. I gotta go somewhere.
Okay, and Grandma's gonna finish the chicken breast. Thank you, YouTubers, for watching.
Wait.